right, what's up guys? Today it's the Smart Home Helper, and today we're going to be going through the Kwikset app and we're going to be showing you how to add a user. So the Kwikset app, it's been upgraded recently here in 2024, 2025, and we're going to show you how to add users, and we'll also go ahead and show you how to add codes as well. So let's go ahead and dig on in. All right, so here's the Kwikset app. You'll see it's been updated. I got my lock attached, but I'm gonna hit that plus button on the top right to add a user. So something to know with the user is this person will also need the Kwikset app. There's two different versions to it. You got the grant access or guest access, which is just gonna be temporarily, and you can set some standards around it. And then the other one is gonna be an admin, which will give full access to it. So both will need the email to be able to download the app and get started. So there you go. Those are the two different versions of being able to set up a home user. Now, I think this next version is a better version of really adding users. It's simply just creating a code for that user. So we're going to go to that plus button on the top, and then we'll go down to the right. And so from here, you can generate a code for someone without them having to download the Kwikset app, which I think is a good feature to have. You can see here I'm adding one for Jimmy, and you can generate it random. But this is the part that I like, is you can make it repeating. You can also say when it starts, when it expires. You can set a time limit. So think about a painter. If they know that they're going to be there, from Tuesday to Thursday around 7 and 9 o'clock, you can set that for them so they're able to come in. But after that point, it shuts off. So there you go, guys. That's how to create a code. You can see on the green bottom there, you can do it, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can just go ahead and light that up, and then you save, and there you go. And that's going to go ahead and set it up. All right, that's it, guys, for the Smart Home Helper. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment. If there's any other videos you guys would like to see regarding the Kwikset app or any of the locks, go ahead and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.